Respected principal, honorable teachers, and my dear school fellows, Assalamu alaikum. Today, I got an opportunity to speak about the topic, war is won by weapon, not by passion. War is a complex and multifaceted phenomenon that has shaped human history for centuries. It is often argued that the wars are won by weapon, not by passion. This perspective suggests that the outcome of a war is primarily determined by the superiority of a nation's military arsenal rather than the emotional drive or patriotic fervor of its soldiers, while passion and motivation undoubtedly play a role in warfare. It is the weapons and technology employed on the battlefield that ultimately tip the scales in favor of one side. May I dare to ask a question from all of you. How would you define passion? Okay. The simple straight answer is spirit, fervor or enthusiasm. But I strongly declare that passion itself is a weapon, though metaphorically that fuels one's efforts and ambitions. Now, why I support weapons? In true sense, keeping the present situation of the world, we have to admit that the countries who have better weaponry systems can survive. Worthy judges, let's go back 1400 years. Imbued with passion and in lesser number, the Muslims fought their enemies far greater in number. But the question is, how did they fight? Did they possess only passion? They had no weapons? Dear audience, they have swords, and swords are the weapon. I will not stop over here. Let's go to Kashmir. The Kashmiris overloaded with passion, but weaponless, helpless, powerless, and indefensible, just carrying the dead bodies of their beloved ones and to mourn on them. Dear listeners, in Bosnia, a merciless bloodshed, Herzegovina, passion was molested. Afghanistani land became the river of blood for a long time. And then, who can keep his eye closed and ignore the country, bombarded and massacred by Israel? Yes, I am talking about the poor Palestine and the people who live over there. Every day, we see bombs are blasted. As a result, buildings are being demolished, streets become the pool of blood, parents keep picking up the remains of their children, fathers were searching the dead bodies of their beloved ones and putting them in plastic bags. Nonetheless, passion alone cannot guarantee victory in the absence of adequate weaponry. Even the most motivated and passionate soldier would struggle to prevail against a technologically superior adversary armed with advanced weapons. Still, any one of you can proclaim that weapons have no role. Sorry, then I must say you all are wrong. I will end with these final words that weapons are necessary component of our national defense strategy. Weapons, respected judges, are ultimate guarantors of peace.